Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the Pendrive model, capacity, and the file types you need to recover. This guides your tool choice. Once done, unmount the drive to prevent accidental writes and connect it to a reliable USB port or powered hub. Make a forensic image with a disk imaging tool so you work on a copy rather than the original. This preserves evidence and prevents further corruption. Make sure to note device paths like /dev/sdb or disk2 for the next steps. Now you perform a sector-level scan on the image you created, using a read-only recovery program that supports raw signatures. As the tool runs, filter by common file signatures and date ranges so you don't drown in results. This speeds identification of important files. Once you locate candidate files, export them to a separate destination drive, never back to the pen drive. If files appear fragmented, use a tool that supports reconstruction or manual carving to rebuild finish by validating each recovered file. Open documents, play media, and check checksums to make sure they aren't corrupt. Once verified, organize the data into folders and create at least 2 backups on different media or cloud storage to prevent repeat loss. Finally, reformat the pen drive only after confirming all important data is safe. If you still see missing or fragmented files, try different recovery software with alternate scanning algorithms, or consult a professional data recovery service as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.